Enabling Windows Firewall for Windows 8. See, Windows Firewall is a feature that checks information being sent or downloaded from the internet or another network to your computer. Firewall then either allows access or rejects the access, depending on the settings you have applied. I strongly recommend that you turn on Windows Firewall. However, a firewall doesn't replace the need for an antivirus and anti-spyware software. Your computer can be exposed to threats via avenues other than the internet and networks. Okay, now the Windows Firewall is always going to be on Windows 8 by default, unless we install a different, another antivirus program, and the antivirus program has a built-in firewall, then the Windows Firewall is going to be turned off. Okay, now remember, the firewall is not an antivirus, it's not an anti-spyware software. Okay, it's just a program that is gonna help us, okay, to control, malicious contents from the internet, emails, or websites. Okay, now to open this feature, let's go ahead and I'm into the Windows mode. I'm gonna go ahead and open my app. So I'm not gonna even open the apps. Okay, I just need to go to the control panel. Okay, so I start typing control, and here's my control panel. Okay, and I'm gonna click on control panel, and this window is gonna open up. From this window, see, we have the network and internet. When I open that window, let me see. Okay, we have the network and sharing, home group, and internet options. Let me go back. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm sorry, it's gonna be under system and security. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and expand this window just so that we can see all the contents. Okay, so that was control panel, system and security, and right here, see, we have the Windows Firewall. When I click into the Windows Firewall, basically, see, it's telling me that I have the check mark, so it's on, and it's also for the guests of public connections or networks. Okay, so like I said, Windows Firewall is always going to be on. Just in case, if right here on the left hand side, the navigation, we have different options. Okay, right here I could click on, say, okay, I'm gonna turn off my Windows Firewall and as well the public network connections, and I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, right away, see, I'm gonna have this Windows. Now I'm gonna close it, and down here, see, my sole PC issue, see, is basically telling me that I have two problems. When I click on that, basically it's gonna tell me, hey, you have one important message and two total messages. Now it's also tell me turn on Windows Firewall is important, or disable applications to help improve, and disable applications to help improve performance. Okay, now from here, if I click on turn on, that's it, it's already turned on. Now how I'm gonna access that option? That was through the control panel, right? Now the control panel is gonna be on the Windows mode. From here I'm gonna type in control. There's my control panel, system and security, Windows Firewall, and it's already on. Okay, so just in case, I mean, if it is off, like I said, see, once I click on OK, we are gonna see this warning. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and close this window. Okay, I have that warning that the firewall is off. Now how I'm gonna turn it on? Back to Windows mode, control. I'm just gonna type in control. That's my control panel. Click system and security, Windows Firewall, and Windows just turn on the firewall for me. Okay, so as you can see, the Windows Firewall, see, it's always gonna help us. Okay, so that is turning on and off Windows Firewall. Thank you.